Lost.
Lost. Oh no.
Now begins. Someone help me deal with the time we made.
How are you today, Sarah?
Because I have
I'm very good because
my
of
mortgage.
the chai latte.
My mom holds the mortgage. I'm feeling like I ran the money through my mom.
Oh, that's good.
Nee.
We lay it down.
No, we did not lay this down. We've decided to go for a swim after Jesus Adore Night. It's 9 o'clock. You're crazy. We're crazy.
GoPro?
Yeah.
Yo, that's
Million.
Yo, what's going on? We're gonna go jump in the ocean. What are we doing? Oh.
Wow, how was it? So good.
Oh, it's amazing.
So good.
I've never been on live television before.
Let's go! How do you feel about that, Carmel?
I'm really proud of everyone. This was really good.
Kill the generator.
We've just been dropped off somewhere. Renkinside. Right, how do you say the car?
Rienkrysset.
Okay, part 1 of the plan, trade this pen. This guy does not know what's coming for him.
No, he doesn't.
Carl's not on board. Anything.
I'll bike my way
We're now in Sørland Center and we are going to the city.
by till I breathe again.
Hey, we're in a Tesla. Let's go.
Hey. We are stealing a Tesla!
Made it back home. And we took like 2 hours. Talked to 3, we got 3 hitchhiked cars, people. We prayed for one guy and we talked about the base and yeah.
Invited you for the open meeting.
No way! No, what? Seriously? What are you? What is?
It's 1,000.
Okay, Sander is
Got in the church.
Let's go for the You got this, Rebecca.
We got it.
You got it.
We got it.
You got it.
Let's go, team! Revive!
We just discovered that the other team had an extra player on the field, which they didn't report to us before.
No.
And that's very serious.
Yeah.
From our little
See you again. Not goodbye, not ever goodbye, girl.
house, I'll carry the weight. It's not up to me. Till the day is gone.
Difference,
my rocks?
Justus's rock.
Till I fall asleep. Oh,
So good.
I'm terrified of looking back,
So we're trying to hitchhike today. Woo!
romanticizing the past. I know.
Guys, we're fishing. We are gonna get the dinner for today.
Yes.
How was fishing?
We lost 2 hooks. We got 0 fish.
Okay, we have a lot of faith that we're gonna just put our fishing stuff on the other side of the dock and then we're gonna catch some good fish.
We have a problem.
I don't know what just happened, but I know it's a problem. Wait, no! Here goes Efrain.
Oh gosh. Whoa, where did it go? Oh, this was not as impressive as mine. It was great. Apparently, I've never been on live television before.
Whoa! I'm waiting for him to just chuck the fishing rod. I hope someone's watching us, because that would be really funny. Here we see a German fail at skipping a rock.
Guys, we lost everything. I have faith next week, maybe.
Maybe we should put the salami in.
It was one of my favorites as a child. Same. I mean, there wasn't even a long queue for him. So nice. I wonder why.
Oh. Yes, wait. I saw this
Yeah, I
one
feel like
already.
I've seen this guy before.
Woke up to moonlight, wait for the sunrise. I've been here before.
Swag.
You can.
Yesterday rains came, everything's changing. Past has closed its door.
just got cold.
You guys are gonna help us rob a bank. We have Carl as our getaway driver.
Did you get something?
I can hear something.
Oh, there's so much more. So far
Well, we're working right here. Catch it.
to go on this open road, a world to explore. So far to go on this open road, away we go.
Yeah, we got this.
We've got this.
God's with us.
Yeah.
Oi! Oi! Oi!
I think this will help actually.
Yeah.
Oh, I got so scared.
Hey.
I was
driver are you? Yeah, I'm sorry, man. There's lines in Norway.
Okay, today. Batman.
Do do do.
Questions not answers, spin with the dancers.
For Chrissy G. Okay. We need some prayer and we need some help.
Crazy guys, huh?
Just kidding. Don't worry.
Last day!
Round and round till you fall. Jump
Have an amazing power hour shower!
the mountain, run through the fountains. It's never too late after all. 'Cause you know there's something more.
I feel like I'm in all of your vlogs. I'm like on the side just like, hi!
Guys, we had an amazing day. God provided, He was faithful. And we also want to present you. This is the next video. First video in Uganda. Let's go.
Let's go!